If you're in the market for new backpacking cookware, you've come to the right place. Our team of outdoor experts has used dozens of cooksets to make hundreds of meals on trails all over the world. There are many products available to choose backpacking cookware, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best backpacking cookware from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Stanley Adventure Camp Cookset. Very affordable, very durable, slightly heavier, bulkier than some. If you're looking for maximum durability at a minimum price, you can't beat the Stanley Adventure Nesting 2-Cup Cookset. The pot and lid are a little heavier than a titanium cookset, weighing in at 8 ounces. But that's not bad, especially considering the low cost. The included cups are insulated and a great size to split a meal or sip a beverage, but they weigh 3.2 ounces each and take up most of the space inside the pot when stored. If you want to be able to stash a small fuel canister, a backpacking stove, and a lighter inside, we recommend ditching the cups. No matter how you plan to use the Stanley Adventure Cookset, it's an incredible bargain for the price and it will last for a very long time. Number 2. Jetboil Flash Camping and Backpacking Stove. Stove, aluminum pot, insulated sleeve, lid, cup, stabilizer. Stable, convenient, performs well in wind. Push-button igniter. Expensive, heavier, bulkier than some, no simmer control. If you're looking for a fast and efficient way to cook on your adventures, look no further than the Jetboil Flash Cooking System. It boils 2 cups of water in under 2 minutes. That means you can have a warm meal and a drink in your hands almost instantly. When you're done, everything nests inside the pot, including a small fuel canister. The Jetboil is so convenient, we've even busted it out on the trail midday to make hot drinks while backpacking in cold, wet conditions. If you're a big coffee drinker, you may want to consider getting the Flash Java Kit, which converts the pot into a French press and saves you a few bucks versus buying the flash and press separately. The Flash Cook system is intended for backcountry use, but we like it so much we bring it along for camping and road trips as well. Number 3. TOAKS Titanium 750 ml Pot. Affordable, ultralight, compact, durable, secure handles. Small, average capacity. If you're looking for the best balance of low weight and durability for backpacking, you can't beat a basic titanium pot. The TOAKS Titanium 750 ml pot is a long-time favorite in the outdoor community for its excellent value and compact size. Titanium can be expensive because it's rarer than other metals and it's more difficult to process, but this TOAKS pot comes in at about half the cost of many other titanium pots. It isn't all-inclusive like some kits, but the 750 ml pot is a great building block for an efficient, ultralight cook system. You can easily fit a fuel canister, a small backpacking stove, and a lighter inside. The 750 ml pot is the most popular size, but there are larger and smaller sizes available. Number 4. MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Camping. Stove, aluminum pot, lid, cup, pot grip. Excellent value, ultralight, compact, clear lid makes it easy to monitor contents. Small, average capacity. The MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Mini Stove Kit bundles one of our all-time favorite backpacking stoves with an ultralight pot and convenient accessories for backcountry cooking. The Pocket Rocket 2 is the top canister stove overall on our best backpacking stoves list because it's ultralight, durable, and has excellent simmer control. The pot is thoughtfully designed with a silicone grip to make it easier to handle when hot and a clear lid with a handy strainer. The simple cup makes measuring the perfect amount of water easy and allows you to eat and drink simultaneously without adding much weight or bulk. The mini stove kit is an efficient way to cook in the backcountry and a great value for the money. If you already have a backpacking stove, you can also buy the mini solo and mini duo cooksets separately. Number 5. Soto Thermostat Combo. Great value, versatile, durable, excellent heat retention. Main pot is ultralight, compact. Small, average capacity, heavier than some. Lids are a bit difficult to lift when pot is hot. The Soto Thermostat Combo is all about versatility and efficient heat retention. It comes with 3 vessels that can be used in various combinations for different needs on different trips. The larger titanium pot, lid, and insulated cozy can be used alone on ultralight trips when you want a fuel canister and stove to fit inside. The 2 cups can be slipped together to form a double wall mug, or separated for individual use when traveling as a pair. The thermostat is a great buy for anyone who appreciates quality, efficiency, and having options. We like to pair it with the Soto Windmaster, a highly efficient stove that performs beautifully in windy conditions. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.